My name is Chris McMacken. I'm the ACT manager for Ulster Supported Employment and Learning, Usel. We have 100 staff based across Northern Ireland in our various offices. So Usel started in 1962 and we manufacture mattresses, recycle mattresses, make industrial sewing items, and we have a range of employment programs across Northern Ireland. We currently operate from our head office in Cumbria Street, North Belfast. We also have premises in Portadown, Omagh, Derry, Londonderry. So when we came to select our new provider, we met with different VoIP providers across Northern Ireland. We asked them to sort of give them proposals of how they would tackle our infrastructure and bring us into sort of modern technologies. And then we decided to go with Connect Telecom as the best solution. We met with our account manager Matt in Connect, and he sat down with me and went through where our staff were based and the needs that we have in the business. So when it came to implementation, we met with the engineer. He came out and did an on-site survey, but we experienced sort of issues on from that, such as concrete floors, cables that were concreted, and various other issues. But Connect were on board straight away and were able to re-cable the whole building. So the engineer explained what was going to happen, when it was going to happen, and what needed to be done to make sure that business activity wasn't interrupted and everything went as planned. We required completely new infrastructure. Previously we were using an older version of telephone systems, so we had to install a new VoIP telephone system across the infrastructure. So we have different types of users that's using the system. That's our office-based users and our field-based users. We also have a hot desk environment whereby the field-based staff can come in on premises and allocate themselves a phone, and then their calls can be redirected through to that hot desk. We can now communicate to everyone, whether they're off-site or on-site, via the seamless integration between the VoIP system and the mobile telephones, which are also from Vodafone. It definitely makes it more flexible internally. We have an auto attendant switchboard, so the calls can be directed through the correct department at all times. It definitely simplifies it in terms of business change. In today's world, there's a lot of business change, so if we decide that people are moving to different premises or across the other end of the site, they just can simply lift their phone and connect it to any port on site. So it's a lot easier, and we have Connect and the customer support team on board, so if there's any problems, we can give them a call. We also have access to the OneNet management portal to manage any small changes. They're always on board to help. The account manager is always there at the other end of the phone if there's any issues or problems, and they always explain the new technology, such as Skype integration and things that we might be working on in the future.